If I were a bird. It is sometimes said, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride them. I fully agree with those who say this. Still, I do not think anything wrong if I were to run the horses of my imagination. Accordingly, I am in a mood to imagine myself a bird. Hence, I want to contemplate how I would look and feel and behave if I were a bird. Naturally, if I were a bird, I would have a small body, which would be well equipped with soft wings and feathers like every bird. I do not here want to go into the intricacies of difference in wings and feathers of various kinds of birds. It is because I do not want to divide the world of birds on any pretext like the artificial division among human beings on the basis of color, race, caste, creed, nationality, etc. If I were a bird, I would be having a pink or red plumage and two meaningful claws. I would chirp in trees and live with other birds. I would also build my nest in some tree. The most remarkable thing that I would do is that I would fly in the sky unhindered as the king or queen of skies, as the case may be. It won't be impossible for me to feel like Shelley Shylock to be somewhere near heaven, from which height I would pour my wisdom of ages down on the curious, puzzled humanity. Man is habituated to looking before and after, and that is the cause of his misery. I would teach him how to soar in the infinite skies selflessly. Perhaps human spaceship which display their feats can be no match for me, since my flight is entirely selfless and arises out of sheer happiness and love for freedom and adventure, whereas any and every human activity of whatever dimensions is a part of some selfish motive lurking somewhere, somehow, without fail.